Welcome back. On today's video, we're going to be installing these CPP drop shocks that I got from CPP. Stick around and I hope you enjoy. Alright, what I got going on here is when I ordered my lowering kit, my lowering shocks that I have on here right now, they're just for the spring, the drop springs. I ordered drop springs plus drop spindle, sorry. So when I put my shocks on right now, my spring, that's no good. That's no good at all. So like the thumbnail says, size does matter. Sometimes bigger is not better. So we're gonna put these drop shocks on. That I reached out to Derek over at CPP, and him and the marketing team, they sent these out to me, and I really appreciate it. And if they're watching, thank y'all very much. It means the world to me. But we're gonna get these installed on here, and we'll just go from there and see how this all works out for me. I'm just gonna use my impact. And I got an 18 and a 19, which this bolt right here, I'm gonna take it out and get rid of it because I got a new one. But like I said, this was all temporary until I got my new drop shocks. You know, and I want to tell everybody thank you very much. My last video, y'all, it got me right here. I had more views on that last video than I've had on any of my videos at all. No, it's not a lot, but it is a lot to me, and it means the world to me. So thank y'all very much. I mean, from my heart. It means a lot to me. It really does. And those that subscribed, thank you very much. But yeah, when I get these all off, I'll have to put a jack over here and make sure I got the spring setting up in the pocket and all that, because you definitely want your spring up in the pocket. I know this is probably going to be a short video, but I got more parts coming. We're going to do the steering box. I got my idler arm and pitman arm, and we're changing out all of this, and the front suspension will be done. There is one more part I want to get, and that's a sway bar, but that's going to be a little bit. I'm fixing to start jumping on body work, metal work and body work. That's my next priority. All right. Gonna be a little tight fit, I see. Like I said before, I even go to attempt to put this up in there. I'm gonna get this spring up in the pocket. What I'm gonna do is just take my jack right here. I'm just gonna jack this up and watch and make sure I got it in there, and then, which I'll bring you back after I do that, because I'm gonna have to have both hands and I won't be able to control the camera. So I'll bring you right back. Alright, I got the spring up in the pocket. Now I'm just trying to get this to go down where it needs to go. Been fighting me a little bit, but it's alright. I like a good fight. Tap it a little bit. Come down just a tad bit. I don't recommend that. Let me bring it right back. After some persuading, I finally got it in there. In an awkward position here. Let's see what we got when we drop the jack. There we go. It's in the pocket. Thank God. Alright. So now I say we go to the driver's side and do the same thing. And then we'll go over it and look and see what all we got done. So. Alright. Now watch you struggle with this one to get this one in here. I hope everybody's has had a great weekend. Sorry. Hope you're out in the shop or out working on a project. Alright. Let's see what we got going on. There we got it. It's in. Everything's tight. I mean, my next video will be finishing up the front, and we will be done with all the suspension stuff. Thank God. But you know what? There's a lot of people that may be out there right now wanting to build a project, or been thinking about a project, but they're worried that however they want to build it, people's gonna talk about it and stuff. You know, you build your dream. Don't worry about what other people are saying. It's your project. You build it the way you want it to be built. And I will say this much: there is no built on a budget. There isn't. If you're putting parts on these things, be prepared to spend money. But build your project. Don't let nothing hold you back. That's all we got right now. So I want to say thank you, and hit that like and subscribe button for me. Help me grow my channel. And I'll see y'all in the next